And where have you been? You were supposed to meet me and Maddie 20 minutes ago.
I went out.
For 20 minutes, Jack? Where did you go exactly?
Oh, you know, the restroom.
Are you sure about that? Because your face doesn't read went to the restroom.
Fine. I went out to the Airplane Museum with Gina. Is that what you want to know?
Ha ha ha. You're such a nerd. Ha ha ha.
Hey Jack, see you next Thursday.
Okay. I can't wait. See you later, co-pilot.
And Simp. I also forgot to mention Simp.
Hey, well, at least I actually had the guts to tell my crush that I like her.